Hello everybody, in today's video what I got for you is a new feature on YouTube. You've probably seen it by now at this point, but it's the feature that you can go ahead and do A/B testing on video thumbnails. So whether you want to use this on a new video or an old video, what you would want to do is go into the video details, and where you go to add in a custom thumbnail, you can see that you have the option to go ahead and run a test, and you have up to 3 thumbnails that you can upload in order for YouTube to run a test and see which one resonates with the audience the best. The test can run up to 14 days, but it could also be as little as a couple of hours. It all depends on how much traction your video is getting. And once YouTube figures it has enough data to go ahead and make to finish the test, then it'll let you know, and it will automatically put whichever thumbnail is performing the best. It will automatically switch it to that one. Now, if it does take 14 days and YouTube can't see a significant difference between all the thumbnails that you put up, then it will just go with the first thumbnail that you have up and just set it at that. At any point in time, if you want to stop this test, you can. All you have to do is go back to where you will find the custom thumbnail. So even after the test finishes and YouTube picks a thumbnail itself, you can still go back and overwrite whatever thumbnail that they pick with whatever one that you want to pick. If you're going to do that, though, it's kind of a waste of time to run a test, isn't it? But whatever. If you want to run a new test, you can do that. Just know that the old data from the last test is going to get deleted. So with that being said, I talked about how to run the test and more information about the test, but now I'm going to go ahead and tell you who can and who can't use it. So first off and foremost, this is long videos only, no shorts. You cannot use this on kid videos. You cannot use this on mature only videos. So with that being said, that's going to be quite a bit of you, but I mean, that just is what it is. TubeBuddy has a test themselves, and I mean, honestly, I think YouTube probably just took it from TubeBuddy because they already had this up. They had it for a while. But regardless, some of you might be better off going with TubeBuddy versus this. But with that being said, they are still different, even though they ultimately do the same thing. So I'll go ahead and talk a bit about, do a cross comparison in another video. And with that being said, hopefully this video helped you out, and let me know in the comment section if you've already been trying this out and what kind of experience that you've had with it. And if you haven't tried this out yet, let me know if this is something that intrigues you, something that you're thinking about doing. Last thing I guess I got to say is, even though YouTube talks about using this on new videos and old videos, if you're trying to use this on videos that ain't going to have any traction, or they don't have traction right now to begin with, then you're probably not going to see a rise in traction. You're not going to see a rise in clicks off of something that's YouTube basically already thinks is a bad video. So your best bet is going to be to re-upload the video, delete the last video you had, and then go from there. See what kind of traction you can get with it being as a brand new video. That's just my suggestion though. So at any rate, like I said, that's it. I'll see y'all in the next video.